Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on call and text on the other device. So on your Samsung device, you can turn on a feature which lets you make or receive calls and text on your Samsung tablet or even a Windows PC. So this basically helps you stay connected even when your phone's not in hand, seamless cross-device communication. So let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, first go ahead and make sure both devices are signed in to the same Samsung account. So your tablet and your phone has to be signed in with the same Samsung account. Now, once that's connected, go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find connected devices. From here, you want to go ahead and find call and text on other device. So this is the feature which you need to turn on, which is right here, call and text on the other device. So here, as you can see, this is my Samsung account, and you want to go ahead and make sure you connect with Wi-Fi only. And here, you want to go ahead and turn on these two features. So you want to turn on call on other devices and text on the other devices. So once you turn this on, you can call and text on the other devices. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the feature where you can call and text on other devices on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.